Financial freedom is often seen as a distant goal, but its foundation lies in the small choices we make every day. Rather than relying on dramatic changes or sudden windfalls, lasting financial success is built through consistent, incremental progress. Simple daily habits like tracking expenses, saving a portion of income, or learning about personal finance can have a powerful cumulative effect over time. These routines not only help manage money more effectively, but also foster a mindset of responsibility and growth. By focusing on manageable actions, anyone can begin to move steadily toward financial independence. The journey starts with recognizing that every small step counts and that persistence is key to achieving lasting change. Financial freedom refers to having sufficient resources to support your desired lifestyle without being reliant on regular employment or external financial support. For many individuals, this means having the ability to make choices without being constrained by monetary concerns. Achieving financial independence can lead to reduced stress, greater flexibility, and the opportunity to pursue personal passions or interests. It allows people to plan for the future with confidence and respond to unexpected events with resilience. Ultimately, financial freedom is a highly desirable goal because it empowers individuals to take control of their lives, make meaningful decisions, and enjoy a greater sense of security and well-being. Building financial growth often starts with small, consistent habits. For example, setting aside a few minutes each day to review your budget can help you stay on track with your spending goals. Tracking expenses, whether through a mobile app or a simple notebook, allows you to see exactly where your money goes and identify areas for improvement. Making it a routine to save a fixed amount, even if it's just a small sum, can gradually build a financial cushion over time. These habits are accessible to everyone and can be easily integrated into daily life. By adopting these practices, individuals can take meaningful steps toward greater financial stability and long-term growth. Consistency is a powerful force when it comes to financial growth. Small, deliberate actions, such as saving a portion of your income or investing regularly, may seem insignificant at first. However, when these actions are repeated over time, they begin to compound, leading to meaningful progress. The key lies in patience and persistence, as results may not be immediately visible. Over months and years, these steady habits can transform your financial situation, demonstrating that lasting change is often built on the foundation of simple, consistent effort. By embracing this approach, you set yourself up for long-term success. Starting new financial habits can feel daunting, but breaking your goals into small, manageable steps makes the process more achievable. Begin by setting clear, realistic objectives and tracking your progress regularly. To overcome common obstacles, anticipate challenges such as unexpected expenses or moments of low motivation, and prepare solutions in advance, like having a backup savings plan. Consistency is key, so try to integrate financial routines into your daily schedule, such as reviewing your budget each morning or setting automatic transfers to your savings account. Celebrate small milestones to reinforce positive behavior and keep your motivation high. Surround yourself with supportive influences, whether through financial communities or accountability partners. Remember, building lasting habits takes time, but with persistence and adaptability, you can create a strong foundation for financial well-being. In summary, achieving financial freedom begins with understanding your goals, tracking your spending, and making informed decisions about saving and investing. By adopting small daily habits such as budgeting, reviewing expenses, and setting aside even modest amounts for the future, you lay a strong foundation for lasting financial health. Consistency is key. and each positive action builds momentum toward greater stability and independence. Remember, progress doesn't happen overnight, but every step counts. Start today by choosing one habit to implement and watch as your financial confidence grows over time.